Hey guys, welcome back to Wheeler Kids TV. So before we get started, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on post notifications. So you're like, what are you doing? So I'll be cutting open some fidget squishies. I will be cutting open one dropped on the floor. I'll be cutting open this Neato, and I wonder what they're going to feel like in here. And I'll be cutting open this other Neato. I have lots of Neatos, and I'll be cutting open this. I do not know what this is. I don't know what it's called. I'm really excited to cut it open. I'm going to save it for last. So, I'm going to use these. Make sure you do not cut your fingers off of these. Do not play with these. So, let's see. Will these things even cut it? Ooh, oh my gosh. Coming out. I'm surprised there's so much, whatever this stuff is inside of it. Okay. This one had white stuff. Now it's flattened. There's white stuff. I wonder what it is. It's nasty. I'm gonna have to touch that at the end of the video. Ready? That was a big hole. Ooh. Ew. Okay. This one had foamish. This had water. That's what we have so far. These two are the ones that we cut last. No, I actually don't want to cut this one open. Even though I have a lot of Neatos, I actually don't want to cut this one open. Because this one feels it's so relaxing. Oh, should I do it? Let me clean this. Let me smell. This one doesn't have any smell. The other one does. Sorry if you hear my brother in the background. That's my brother's Zachary. Ready? 3, 2, 1. No. Ew, it's Orbeez. It's Orbeez and other stuff. Why did I cut it? No. No. That was a good one. Oh. We just cut a couple other holes. It's a huge hole. My brothers are doing stuff. They're playing a game, and my brother won't give Zachary, my brother, won't give back my other brother Elijah's pet back on the Roblox game. I'm just getting all this stuff out. I want to see what the inside of a Neato looks like. Ready? I should have grabbed the sharper scissors. Okay. And that's what the inside of a needle looks like. Now it's back to normal. Okay. Let's see what this one looks like. Ew. I have to touch that stuff later. Actually, soon in this video. Oh no. And the stuff is getting all over. My hands are dirty now. I don't want to touch my phone. That's what it looks like. Ready? There's a binder right here. And let me move this. Huh? Ready? Okay, what? Feels weird. I was thinking I was gonna make some slime. That's not slime at all. It's like slobber. Ew. Hold on, let me just try and play with it a little bit. I guess, like, what if I put some slime ingredients in it? But we won't be doing that. Well, that was a waste of 3 fidgets. I don't think I should have did that. But guys, please hit the subscribe button. Because this was a dumb idea. Now my hands are dirty. Dumb idea. You can try this at home, but like, try it in a dish like this. Because if you do it on your dining room table, it's going to leave a big mess. I mean, like, if I had some activator to it, it would probably be pretty good. But this, that's not slime. Let me try and get some of this off my hand, so then I can do stuff with my hands. I'll go wash them after this video. But my hands are disgusting now. So see you guys on the next video. Bye.